Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let's talk about something that gives you a long-term advantage in lie detection. Recognizing the personality traits of frequent liars, because while anyone can lie occasionally, some people lie more often, more comfortably, and sometimes more strategically. First, it's important to understand this. Frequent liars don't always look suspicious. In fact, many of them appear confident, charming, and socially skilled. That's part of what makes them effective, obviously. One common trait is high confidence and social boldness. Frequent liars are often comfortable in conversations. They don't hesitate as much and they can maintain eye contact, speak clearly, and control their tone. This can create a false sense of trust because we naturally associate confidence with honesty, even though the two are not the same. Another key trait is low guilt sensitivity. While many people feel uncomfortable lying, frequent liars tend to experience less emotional resistance. They justify their behavior more easily or they simply don't dwell on it. This reduced guilt means fewer obvious emotional signals, making their lies harder to detect through stress alone. You may also notice strong storytelling ability. Frequent liars are often good at creating believable narratives. They can add just enough detail to make a story feel real without overcomplicating it. Some even mix truth with lies, which makes detection more difficult because parts of the story are actually accurate. Then there's adaptability. Skilled liars adjust quickly. If they sense doubt or confusion, they may change their approach, add clarification, or shift their tone. They are constantly reading the situation and modifying their behavior to stay convincing. Another important trait is manipulative tendencies. This doesn't always mean extreme behavior. It can be subtle, for example, redirecting conversations, avoiding direct answers, or making you question your own interpretation. Instead of just telling a lie, they try to guide your perception. You might also observe inconsistency over time. While a single conversation may seem convincing, pattern begins to emerge across multiple interactions. Details may change, timelines may shift, or explanations may not fully align. Frequent liars can manage a single lie well, but maintaining consistency over time is much harder. And here's something crucial. Frequent liars often rely on the assumption that most people don't question enough. They expect others to take things at face value. That's why simple awareness alone can give you a powerful edge. But let's balance this with an important reminder. Having one or two of these traits does not mean someone is a liar. Personality is complex. Confidence, storytelling ability, or adaptability can also be strengths in honest individuals. What matters is the pattern, the context, and how these traits combine with behavior inconsistencies. As you continue through this course, you will start to see beyond surface impressions. You won't just ask, do they seem trustworthy? You'll ask, does their behavior stay consistent over time? Because in the end, frequent liars don't reveal themselves in one moment, they reveal themselves in patterns.